Here I have an old Eachine E50, and this is broken. One of the, I forgot which one, but one of the front motors is not engaging with the gears correctly, and you can also see that the camera is probably got dislodged during shipping. I don't know, but I got it like this. So this one never really flew well, but I am interested in harvesting all of the parts, so let's just go ahead and open this baby up. I might need some smaller screws. Let's try a smaller screwdriver. I'm not sure if that's working. Truth be told, I'm not going to be using this shell anyway, so we'll probably just, you know, if I can't undo all of these screws, I'll probably just destroy the whole plastic shell. Alright, so I managed to get it open, and you can see that there's the, it's not an FPV camera, there's a Wi-Fi camera, and I'm not sure if that is a transmitter. And this is the main flight controller board, and you have the plug here for the battery, but probably not going to be using any of these at all. Just going to be harvesting the motors from these arms, which need some more screws to be undone. So let me just open one of those up and let's see what we can do. Let me tell you, there are a lot of screws on this thing. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the bottom, and each arm comes undone with 3 screws. So you have 1 on top and 2 at the bottom. Yeah, and we are just interested in these motors. I'm not sure what kind of motors these are. These are quite thin, but also tall. So I think these are 720 motors. Yeah, they are 22. Yeah, it's 20 on the vertical, and it's around 7 millimeters thick. So these are definitely 720 motors, and quite the same actually with the other motors that we got from our Syma X5C. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much compatible with whatever we're going to be using, with the masking tape, of course, with electrical tape, of course, just to thicken these up, make them fit into some 8520 motor frames. Alright, so I've undone all of the screws. Now all that's left is to desolder all of these wires going to the motors, so that we can just remove these wires, or we can just, you know, snip it off. That's probably going to be easier. So yeah, let's do that. I think that's even faster, and that's better. So let's just cut, and here we go. And that's one wire. Just do it for the rest of these, and get all of these motors free from their old E50 body. If you are interested, there are a couple of more parts that you can get, like these LEDs. These are perfectly fine. I have no use for them whatsoever, so I am just going to leave it there, let it head to the trash. And yeah, so if you are interested in getting some of these, I am not. So I'll probably just, you know, throw all of these in the trash, but I did get, you know, four 720 motors, so that is great. And these are, yeah, these are great 720 motors, and they've barely been used. So